Od bura mamalo mar piny Kenya wadhiane ka tiegruok mag jotije mag piny owacho kabete. Jalup jatend piny Kenya Rigathi Gachagua otelo e romo mokuongo ne duol ma ochung' ne tudo weche mag bajet kid piny owacho mamalo kod mago mag counties ne Ramogi wadhiane achiel kachiel mondo wawinje ka weche ne chalo e kar tiegruogno.
Thank you, Dr. Chair. I must admit, my foundation in management started in this great institution in the meeting of the third term of the devolved system of governance in our country. This is the 18th ordinary session of the council. I take this opportunity to laud my predecessor, who is my boss, His Excellency Dr. William Samuel Ruto, President of the Republic of Kenya and Commander-in-Chief of the Kenya Defense Forces, for successfully steering the council over the previous 2 terms. Having been briefed on the past achievements and challenges, I wish to confirm that the Kenya Kwanza administration and myself as the chairperson of this council is committed to ensuring that the mandate of the council is realized, and in particular that the decisions made are implemented without undue delay. In this regard, I would like to first echo the sentiments of His Excellency the President on the need to ensure that all disbursements to the counties are made timelessly to enable counties to meet their obligations. That the process of unbundling, costing, delineating, transferring, and funding devolved functions is completed, in any case not later than 6 months from now. That the task of valuation and transfer of assets relating to the devolved functions be completed within this financial year. That settlement of eligible pending bills, which is usually in the first charge at the beginning of a financial year, be completed on a first-in, first-out basis in order to release resources back to the economy so that the lives and livelihoods of the many traders and business people who have suffered financial distress, including bankruptcy, are restored. Also, the government will benefit through reduced financial risks from the potential interest payment and overall reduction in cost of goods and services to government because of prompt payment. To realize the above, I expect our members to actively participate meaningfully in all the council's main sessions and its committees in the spirit of mutual relations through cooperation and consultation. This will ensure that the gains in devolution are safeguarded and deepened without resorting to expensive dispute resolution through judicial intervention, where the alternative dispute resolution structures exist within